Hi everyone, thank you for watching DevRelCon Yokohama 2023 speaker interview session. I'm today's host Taiji as co-organizer of the conference. For the interview session, I'll introduce one of the awesome speakers and have a shooting. It takes only maybe 10 or 15 minutes. Please have fun, right? Today's guest is David Tippett at AWS. Please welcome David.
Hello,
Hey,
everyone. Hi.
hey, how are you doing?
Doing well. Thank you. Happy to be
Cool,
here.
cool. Yeah, cool. I'm happy to have you for all this conference and this interview session. Right, thank you for your time today.
Mhm.
Right, yeah. The purpose of this session is for audiences to know you and for more people to be interested in your session of the Broken Yokohama 2023. Right. Okay.
Mhm.
At first, could you please introduce yourself? And it's okay to talk about for your business work, not only business work, but also your any interests, the hobby,
Yeah.
the music, sports, or something, right? Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
please go
Yeah.
ahead.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. I'm David. I am a senior developer advocate working on open source open search at AWS. Before being a developer advocate, I was a data engineer, network automation engineer, DevOps engineer. So I've done a lot of other things, but I'm really excited to be a developer advocate. I've only been a developer advocate for about a year now, focusing on open search, which is one of Amazon's or AWS's biggest open source projects. So it's been a lot of fun and it's always very exciting. And I'm happy to share with some of my experience with you. So on the side, I like to tinker with like Raspberry Pis and things like that, servers, lots and lots of software. So thank you.
Cool. Thank you, David.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, yeah, it's great experience of you. So actually now I think there's some people didn't know AWS be involved in the open source project. It's
Yeah.
just an image
Mhm.
Amazon, then the AWS is just a cloud platform vendor or something. So
Yeah.
maybe yeah. Right. So it's already interesting the speakers for all this conference, I think.
Yeah, yeah, I think so. It's very different. Like dev relations for open source project is it's so different, because people don't necessarily trust it right out of the gate.
Mhm.
Because they're like, oh, it's new. Maybe I haven't heard of it before. So it takes some time.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
Mhm.
That's true.
Mhm.
Right. So, okay. So I'd like to ask you about your talk next.
Yeah,
So your talk title is Advocating in Open Source, right?
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yep. So could you please introduce your session for the audiences? But please no spoilers. Right.
Yeah, 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 for sure.
Yeah, cool.
All right. So yeah, so I'm going to be presenting about advocating in open source. So there's so much that we know as developer advocates. We need to understand our audiences and all of these different things. But in an open source community, you just have to do things very differently because people expect everything you do to be in the open. Your meetings, decisions. You also have to be a participant in your own project because the project is really it belongs to the community. So there's a lot that needs to be learned about advocating for open source, and I'm really excited to share more with you guys.
Yeah, cool, cool.
Yeah.
It's really interesting because I thought it's a little bit a similar situation I had. That
Mm,
when I was working at IBM, I
mm.
used to be a developer advocate, including the open source technologies.
Oh, Soka.
So yeah, lots of developers' image is maybe the IBM is really classical and the more enterprise and just a vendor locking or something, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
we developer advocacy team were really involved in the open source project, and that for need to place have a view, point of view of developers, right?
Yeah.
So the same view and same voice and feedback to the company.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
important. Yeah, I thought it's a little bit similar situation for you.
Yeah, it certainly is. I mean, like, well, and the hard part is being at a big company like AWS. They're very used to doing things the way that they've done them, which is internally. So it's very hard to flip that around and say, "Hey, we need to be more open," and putting it out there. Because the success of the community is the success for AWS.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually now I'm working at the Datadog, so AWS it every
Oh,
day.
yeah.
Every day I use and to integrate the platform or something, right?
Oh, that's
Yeah,
awesome. Actually, it's funny. I've used Datadog a lot before, and I've really enjoyed it. So, yeah,
cool,
thank you
cool.
for your hard
Yes,
work.
yeah. Today
Oh,
that I
yeah.
learned, yeah, cool. All right. Okay, thank you, David. So I think that your talk will bring us and audiences to the OSS advocacy world, and I
Yeah.
believe that there are lots of the developers who are interested in this topic,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I hope
yeah.
so.
That's why I strongly recommend every developer guys, especially be involved in the open source project, that they should attend
Mhm.
your talk at the conference,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Yeah. Do you have anything else you want to say for the audiences this time?
Um,
It's okay.
yeah.
Let's see you at the conference or something.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay. Yeah. Here, let me do that. All right. So, looking forward to seeing everyone at the conference, and make sure to attend my talk. And I'm looking forward to attending all of your talks. So, thank you.
Yeah. Cool.
So,
David, thank you for your time. Right,
hey.
and I hope you also will enjoy DevRelCon Yokohama
Oh,
2023 with us.
yeah, definitely.
Yep.
It's nice. Actually, funny story. 30% of our users for OpenSearch are in Japan, so I'm going to get to meet with a lot of other open source people out there, which will be wonderful. So I'm very excited.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Thank you, David. See
はい。
you at the conference soon.
ありがとうございます。はい。じゃ
ありがとうございます。
あ、バイバ
Thank you.
イ。
Hey, thank you for audiences. Announcing again, our conference, DevRelCon Yokohama 2023, will be held on March 10th and 11th. The tickets is now on sale. Please save the date and waiting the date, right? Thanks again, everyone. See you at the conference, right? Bye for now.